Good morning. This is Tim Trades NASDAQ Futures Live. It's Thursday, October 16th. We are trading with Apex Trader Funding account, 50K account on their Wealth Charts platform. And why am I doing wealth charts? Because their wealth charts supposedly can do the ATM strategy, bracket, orders, copy trader. But one downfall is that I don't think you can do a hotkey, so I have to push these buy sell buttons. And we got Tradingview over here. We're on the 1 second time frame. We're going to be looking for 35 points winner and a 35 point. Whoa. Big jump down there in the market. Volatility's at 24%. So volatility's up a little bit from the 20s it was at for most of the summer. Got a little jump here in the market. It's not a huge jump, but a pre-market move. Almost 10 point little blip there. For pre-market, that's a lot. All right, we got about 3 minutes before the market opens. About 2 minutes before I start looking for a trade. Alrighty then. So the way this is going to work, there's going to be a little, there's going to be a red line and a blue line, dotted line printed. And if it closes above the blue line, going long. If it closes below the red line, I'm going short. That's my 2 minute. 2 minutes of blast off alarm. And we're back. All right. 6:28, almost 6:29. All hands on deck. Take your mark. There's a 2 to 3 second delay on the live stream. Trade your own risk, not financial advice. Whew. Okay, there's a blue line. That blue line is premature because not supposed to be green lit for a trade yet. That's frustrating. I don't know why it's doing that. I need to figure out why it's doing that. Oh, I think it's because it's the no reversal. That's the no reversal line. That's the 100%er. So if that no reversal line indicates, I might take that trade. Doesn't look like it's going to be triggered for a no reversal. Okay, so the first lines are a no reversal trade. Okay. Which did not trigger. Okay, now we got some more lines printed. There's another red line down there printed. Market's officially open. Okay, there's a green line printed. Okay, we are going long. Going long. We're long. No pullback yet, so we're I think I hit the long position. Okay, there is a pullback from when I got in long. Got in so late. Okay, now I'm green. Okay, so if you're going for the 34 points, you should be out already. I'm in green territory. Need another push-up to get my 35 points. I might pull out. Okay, got it. Got my 35-point winner. Wunderbar. So winning. It's about time we start winning. All right, so I try to be a one and done trader, so I think I'm going to be a one and done today. For some reason I can't. Oh, there we go. I thought I had different stats the other day. How on earth do I? All right, well, my drawdown is now back to 2200. That's good. And my overall P&L is at negative $2. It's because I had a loser. Actually had two loser trades yesterday and one winner, so should have been a winner that first trade yesterday, but I got in late. I got in late today also, so but there's enough wiggle room to still get the 35 points. So I had a $700 trade today, but that canceled out my loser trade yesterday. So I'm at negative $2 in the account. So if we have winter day tomorrow, then I'll be up $700. Alrighty then. Don't think I want to try to do another trade today, just because I want to kind of let this strategy play out, even though there is a trade coming up right here. Don't think I'm going to take it. I'll watch it. I'm going to watch it. Looks like the market is not moving very fluidly here. Did anyone else take a trade in the beginning there? And wonder if my brother Mark got his trade. Took a trade. Did brother Mark take a trade? Okay, I would take this trade if it breaks. It's lining up on multi time frames. Oh, lining up. All right. So that looks like it didn't break up. It's breaking down. Yep. So it's a short. Let's say we get in right here. Gotta give some wiggle room. Oof. 40 points of wiggle room. That's the problem. The markets get more volatile like this. This high-low swings are brutal. Brutal, man. Brutal. Brutal, man. Should have got, if I was playing it more tightly, I would get in the close here. And just go for 10 points. Would not have gotten it. Would have just like been one tick away from getting it. Oof. Look at that. Look at that pullback. That's not nice. Oof. See how it just barely broke the low and then just swung high. So it's trapping. It's trapping today, people. It's trapping. It's trying to trap us. Kind of fake us out. False breaks. All right. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the code, use the code Tim at apextraderfunding.com for the best discount always. Real quick, if you want to know my strategy, market opens. I have an indicator that I programmed to identify bear flags and bull flags, and with some other specifications, some secret sauce in there, and that's what I use for the opening. I use the 1 second time frame. And then I took an indicator, also programmed it to be a strategy on Tradingview. And if the strategy plays out in reality like it does in these little simulated back testing, it's about 71% accurate, 2.4 profit factor. And then over the course of the last 45 days, because it only takes one trade a day, Only $1,800 drawdown and $13,000 of profit. So that's the settings I'm shooting for. So hopefully we're going to hit one of these nice little runs. Get into one of these little runs right here. It's some big buck. Every trade's $700. 1, 2. So you got like, let's see here, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. So that whole is about $5,000, about $4,900 run right there. So I only need 7, 14, 21, 21, 28, 35. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5. So 5 winning trades in a row from this point, because I should not have had a loser yesterday, and then I had a winner today. If yesterday was a winner and today was a winner, then I should only have 3 more winning days to pass the evaluation, but that's not the case. So I have roughly 5 more winning days. For every losing day, I need 1 more day of trading. So if I have 1 more losing day, then add another winning day. So instead of 5 days, it's 6 days to make up. Yeah, 6 days. Anyways. Yeah, because it's I did a 1-to-1 risk to reward. 35 points profit, 35 points stop loss. We'll see how it pans out. So I do that, and then I try to go over to the 30-second time chart. Look for bear flags and bull flags. Look at that false breakout and huge jump to the upside. So if we didn't get sucked into this, and then we saw this break, then that would be a high probability trade, because this false break shows that don't want to sell, so you must want to buy. So potentially, if we did a turnaround trade, could have made up the difference. So I do have this swing low, this swing high, swing low, volume 2 indicator I use, just standard settings. Volatility threshold I don't have activated. Interesting. Why don't I have that volatility threshold? Set volatility threshold in pips. I need to experiment with that. Jeez Louise. All right. And so it prints these little swing lows, swing highs, and those act as the foundation to these trend lines. So swing low, there's a trend, there's a point, and then as these points pop up, so like potentially this would have been the first point here, like that. And as it breaks these points, so we can see right here it closed below. Closed, so we could have gotten in there for a nice trade. That would have been a winner. For some reason, I was hesitant to play this opening. I think I started looking at it around here. Okay, so we got that, and then it pulls down, creates another swing low here. And then right here it breaks. Don't know if I would have taken that because it's kind of trending down. But the overall trend is up, so it's hard to say, but what would I have done? Oh, 2 trade. Yeah, so this, so I would have moved the line there. And then now we have here, we have a false break here. Trap. That would have been a loser. Shot back up. A real break here for a good winner. But as you see, it hit up there and then it tanked back down. So we have another like false break of the 15-minute break here, false break, crash back down to make new lows. This market is going sideways, folks. That's just a bunch of mumbo jumbo. Look at that channel. Market opened here. If anything, it's just like a big M forming that's going to continue down. So be careful out there if you're still trading. We're green on the day. $700. Oh, there it is. There's my other settings. I was like, where are these other settings at? I guess because you could scroll down like that. That's lame. Orders, trades. Today was a buy. 35 points. So between yesterday and today, I have 1 loser and 2 winners. Today's P&L is roughly $700. Total is negative $2 because of the trades that were negative yesterday. Drawdowns back to 22.50. All right. Live to trade another day. See you guys tomorrow. Like, comment, subscribe. Use code TIM at apextraderfunding.com for the best discounts always possible. I'm trying out their wealth charts. It is a little bit cheaper to do the wealth charts because it's their platform that they either get a better deal with the platform or they own the platform. I can't remember, but the pros and cons seems like pretty reactive. You can still do the to do the bracket orders on their platform. You click this button here. You set up the bracket. It's in price. It's not in ticks or points or delta points or whatever. It's just in how much money do you want to make. So I'm assuming that's like, even if I switch the number of contracts, it's only going to get me out at, so if I use 3 contracts instead of 1 contract, it's going to still get me out at $700 of profit. think that's how that's working, but I'm not 100% sure. And you have some other stop. You can do a trailing stop or a break-even stop. I don't recommend either of those because I like to give the market time to breathe, room to breathe. Good to close or end of day. There's no save button, which is weird. So you can't like save your on Tradovate. You could save your different bracket orders, right? So you can switch between different bracket orders after different trades depending on what the market sees. So for whatever reason that is. If I do a multi-bracket, it does give you an option to save, but I can't do a multi-bracket single stop, and it's weird. I don't know. And the actual platform seems pretty responsive. The on graph, it's different to place a chart. And Tradovate, I just left click and then a buy sell appears. But in this, you have to right click and then you can do a buy sell. So, main thing is you have this ability to do copy trading. It's right here. I only have one account right now, but the copy trading is a little more specific, and you can do bracket orders in the copier, so you can bracket all of your trades and not just one. Oh, anyways, we'll see how that goes. See how that plays out. See, the market's retracing. Officially going nowhere, folks. We're going up, we're going down, up, down, up, down. It's in a channel. In a channel. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Peace.